In the previous video, we learned what is transversal line, and then we learned what is corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, and co-interior angle. And here we're going to deal about the corresponding angle. But in this case, our two lines are parallels, all right? Corresponding angles. When our two lines are parallel, let's say our two lines is, this is line 1 and this is line 2. Let's say line 1 and line 2 is being intersected by the transversal line, let's say L. At that time, the corresponding angles are angle, let's say 1 and angle 2. Here angle 1 is equal with angle 2. Always keep in mind, whenever two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal line, then the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, if this is let's say 75 degree, if it is, let's say this angle 1 is 105 degree, let's say, then this must be also 105 degree, right? Similarly, we have a lot of corresponding angle here. If this is, let's say this is angle 3, then its corresponding angle, this 4, is also equal, right? Angle 3 is equal with angle 4. Similarly, we have two more corresponding angles, like angle this, all right? Let's say this is angle 5, then this angle 6 will be also equal, all right? Angle 5 is equal with angle 6 because both are corresponding angle. Similar to the last one, if you want to say, then if this is angle 7, then this angle 8, both will be equal. Angle 7 will be equal with angle 8 because these all are corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. All corresponding angles are not equal. Only the corresponding angles made when the two parallel lines are intersected by one transversal line. That time only the corresponding angles are equal. If the two lines are not parallel like this, then that time this corresponding angle and this corresponding angle will not be equal. Only when these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, then this angle will be equal with this angle. All right, keep in mind. So if you have something like this, let's say this is 50 degree, and you need to find out what is the angle of here. If it is x degree, then you can easily find out what is x by linear pair angle. If this is 50 degree, then this should be 130 degree, and if this is 130 degree, then definitely this 130 degree and this angle x is equal. X is equals to directly 130 degree because corresponding angles, if these are parallel, right? Because corresponding angles is equal, all right? Corresponding angles are equal, all right? Here this angle and this angle is corresponding angle, that's why this is equal. Similarly, simply if you get like this, if this is let's say x degree, and if this is let's say 30 degree, then that time again see how the x value you can find out that time. If this is 30 degree, then this must be 30 degree by corresponding angle, and this 30 degree and this x, this together should make 180 degree. So this must be 180 minus 30 degree because of the linear pair, and you'll get 150 degree. So in different ways this corresponding angle will come, and try to understand that. All right, corresponding angle is simply that angle. In the parallel cases, you'll get more in the same side, all right, same side of the transversal. If you're going this side, then only this side, and one should be out of means external, and one should be internal, all right? This is inside the two lines, and this is outside the two lines. So one outside and another inside. These two lines are called corresponding angles, and corresponding angles formed while intersected by transversal line to the two parallel lines, these are equal, all right? If the two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the corresponding angles are always equal. Keep in mind that. And in the next video, we're going to learn how the alternate interior angles are equal when a transversal line intersects the two parallel lines.